Hello students, welcome to our Parameswara Institute of Mathematics. Parameswara Institute of very most important 7-mark question. Reduction formula integral in equal to cot power nx dx. Next one, and deduce integral cot power 4x. Right? Now let in is equal to integral cot power nx dx. Now in equal to cot power n minus 2 x into cot square x dx. Why? Because in a positive integer n greater than or equal to 2. That's why this one separate. Integral formula cosecant square x minus cot square x equal to 1. Cosecant square x plus 1 it becomes minus 1. Minus cot square that becomes cot square x. This formula integral cot power n minus 2x cot square x mean cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Now that's why in equal to integral cot power n minus 2x into cosecant square x dx minus integral dx takes separate only cot power n minus 2x into 1 cot power n minus 2x into dx. Now here let cot x equal to t, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Now d by dx of cot x that equal to dt by dx. d by dx of cot x mean minus cosecant square x that equal to dt by dx. Now minus cosecant square x dx equal to dt. Now cosecant square x dx equal to minus dt. Now here this both are equation 1 on above values cot x value and cosecant square x values substitute. Now that equal to in equal to integral cot x mean t only, that's why t power n minus 2 cosecant square x dx mean minus dt. Now that's why minus dt minus this one minus. Now in mean integral cot power nx, that's why integral cot power n minus 2x mean in minus 2 plus. Now here in equal to minus t power n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2 plus c. Why? Because integral x power n formula already we know that dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now that's why here minus take outside x power n mean t power n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 n minus 2 plus minus in minus 2 plus 1. That's why into in equal to minus t power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2 plus c. Next one in equal to minus t mean cot x cot power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2 plus c. Equation 2. Put n equal to 4 in equation 2. Why? Because integral cot power 4x, that's why put n equal to 4. I4 equal to minus cot power 4 minus 1 x by 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 plus c. I4 equal to minus cot cube x by 3 minus I2 plus 4 minus 2 I2. Next one, I4 equal to minus cot cube x by 3 minus big bracket mala put n equal to 2 in equation 2. Since put n equal to in equation 2 on again. Why? Because we want I2 value. I2 mean minus cot power 2 minus 1 x by 2 minus 1 minus I 2 minus 2 0 plus I4 equal to minus cot cube x by 3 minus into minus plus cot x by 1 minus into minus plus I0 mean x only plus. Now I4 equal to minus cot cube x by 3 plus cot x plus x plus c. Problem completed.
ಅದೇ